everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kiki. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a detailed flat twist tutorial. I did previously do a tutorial on a style of doing flat twist, but it wasn't detailed enough. And I did get some questions, so I am going to make this video for you. So, as you can see, if you did watch my previous video, this is the style that I did. It's been almost 2 weeks. I know my hair looks tired, you guys. It looks like I've had it in for 2 months, but honestly, I wet my hair in the shower. I don't cover it. Sleep with no scarf. Like, I'm just a mess, but I am working on it. But yeah, so I'm going to just loosen up one of these twists and show you guys how I do it. I know I'm not always the best with my words. It's something I'm working on. So if you do have any other questions, please let me know and I will do my best to answer them for you. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. The button is down below. And also hit that little bell down below. That will help notify you whenever I post a new video. And if you enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it if you know that it will help somebody. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so this is what my twist looks like. I'm going to take it down for you guys really fast. I probably should have did this before, but how that goes. All right, so I just wanted to take this twist down for you guys to show you that after you're done rocking your flat twist out style, you can take the twist out and look at that. Look at that definition, y'all. All right, so depending on what side of my head I'm on is the direction I twist. Do what feels comfortable to you. It's all in the hand placement and the finger movement. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the olive oil wrap and set mousse. I did use this in the previous tutorial. I use this just because it kind of wets my hair without wetting my hair. And I find that when I twist with dry hair with some products, my hands get like stuck and kind of tacky. It's an odd feeling, but and that's if I'm starting off on dry hair. If I'm starting on wet hair, it doesn't do that, but I am starting off on dry hair. I don't really want to wet my hair because I'm washing it today, so I'm just gonna start by using this. Be generous. And we're gonna work that in. That wasn't enough, so I'm gonna add a little more. Ooh. Make sure I'm hitting my edges a little bit. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna detangle the section. You wanna make sure that your hair is detangled because you don't want your fingers to get stuck as you are twisting, and then you'll have to stop and detangle it, and you know, that'd just be a mess. So let's make sure we detangle our hair good and thoroughly. You can use whatever you like. I am using this Y2 comb, and then I'm going to go through with my brush just to make sure all the tangles are out. All right, and that's good enough for me. All right, so since we're doing a flat twist, we are going to start off with 2 pieces of hair. So what I like to do is section off a little piece and then grab my 2 pieces from that, okay? So again, I'm gonna section off a little piece. It just helps you stay more organized. And I'm going to grab my 2 pieces. I'm gonna make sure I'm holding it between my index and my thumb. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take piece 1, and this is piece 2. I'm going to take piece 1 and I'm going to take my middle finger, and I'm going to grab piece 1. Still holding piece 2 between my thumb and my pointer finger, okay? Then I'm going to grab. So once I do that, I'm going to again take my middle finger and grab the next piece. Now, at this point, this is when I'm gonna grab for a little piece of hair. Make sure you're adding little pieces as you go, okay? If you add too much hair, it's gonna start to not look uniformed, and you don't really want that. So I know it's hard to see. Right here, I'm gonna grab a little hair as I grab that, and I'm gonna transfer fingers. So I don't know if that makes sense. Again, I have, oops. All right. So again, I have my hair here between my pointer finger and my thumb. I have hair in between my middle. I'm going to take these 2 fingers and grab the piece, and while I grab the piece, I'm going to grab a little hair as well. So again, even though you kind of see hair there, it's still the same. I still have 1 piece in between my pointer finger and my thumb, and 1 piece held with my middle finger. So again, I'm gonna go in and grab for that piece that is in between my pointer finger and my thumb, and I'm gonna also grab some hair as well. And there you go. And as you do this, do your best to hold it as tight as possible, but not too tight. You don't want to pull your hair out. But once you get down to the end, your twist will loosen a bit. So we want to make sure that we're, you know, getting it as tight as we can now. All right, so again, take my fingers, go in, grab that piece grab that piece as well as some hair, and do the same thing, okay? Again, I know it's hard to see, you guys. In, grab. Again, taking that finger, going in and grabbing the piece and twisting. I know it's kind of hard to understand, but once you're actually in your hair doing it, you'll get a feel for it and you'll understand what it is that I'm saying. So again, let me move the hair so you can see. I have the piece of hair in between my middle finger, and I am grabbing a piece of hair here with my pointer finger and my thumb. And I'm going to take these 2 fingers and go in. And as I go in, I'm going to grab a piece of hair as well. Then I'm gonna grab this and then twist. And again, my hair is getting kind of dry. I should have added more foam. And again. And take your time, go slow, be patient with yourself. I've been doing this for a while, that's why mine come out so tight, but if you're just beginning, you know, practice makes progress, you guys. So do your best. Again, be patient with yourself. Take this, go in and grab a piece, twist, again, Grab a piece. Oh, Theo. Go in, grab a piece. Again. All right, so now we are at the end. Move my ear so you can see. And now you are gonna begin to do your regular twist. My hair did get a little tangled, and we are just going to continue twisting down. Again, making sure that we are twisting tight because it will unravel a bit when we are done. And I'm gonna make sure I twist it to the end to try to help with the unraveling because I don't want it to get too loose. And then once you get to the end, just wrap it around your finger a few times and voila. All right, you guys, so that is our twist. Okay. All right, so I'm not going to finish my whole head because I'm planning on taking these out today and washing my hair. I really hope that this video helped. I know it was super quick, but I just wanted to get on here really fast and show you a little better, a little more in depth how to do the flat twist. I hope I explained this well. I hope this helps somebody out there. Again, if you have any questions, please make sure to ask me below. I'm always here to help. Please remember to be patient with yourself. Try not to get frustrated. We all have to start somewhere, and sometimes learning is hard, but just keep at it, and I know you can do it. I have faith in you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys, I really appreciate all of you. You have no idea. I know I always say it. I know you're probably tired of hearing it, but seriously, I do. If you haven't already liked this video, please make sure you do. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that as well. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, please make sure you do at Kiki_vibes. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please take care, be safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.